Nag-order ako ng pendant and dumating na. Ah, cute. So, may pa-thank you pa. Thank you. Ang cute ng pendant na to. Tree of Life to. Pendant lang yung in-order ko kasi meron na naman akong chain and yan. Sobrang cute. Pasensyahan nyo na yung kuko ko mga loves. Yan. Very cute. Try nga natin. Maghanap tayo dito ng chain. Matagal-tagal ko na itong hindi ito nasusuot ba. Itong kwintas na to. Yan. Sa lahat ng mga kwintas ko, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Yan na siya. Yan. Maghugas na ako ng kamay. Kasi meron akong lunch dito. Ano, sandwich. Hindi pa kasi ako tapos sa pagde-declutter ko. Kaya nakakulong ako dito. Nandito na yung ano. Yung si kuya. Na magpa-plaster dito sa extension. So, kumuha na si John ng taga-plaster kasi kaya naman ni John pero he's just so busy. So, wala pa siyang time. So, nandito na sila ngayon para tingnan yung area and magkano kaya. Tatanungin natin si Mr. kung magkano yung ano nila, kinote na presyo. Umalis na yung lalaki na nagtingin dito sa bahay for the plaster. Tinanong ko si Jen kung magkano. Wala pa daw na binigay na presyo kasi ikakalculate pa yun. So, ayun. Hintay-hintay lang tayo. Meron ako dala-dala ditong car seat kasi itatry ko siya sa sakyan ko. Ito, pahiram lang din to. So, thank you talaga sa nagpahiram dito, sa mga binigay mo. Maraming salamat talaga. You know who you are. So, ito. Yan. Itatry ko siya sa sakyan ko kasi yung isang katrabaho ko din, nagtanong siya kung meron ba akong car seat. Sabi ko, meron na. Pero hindi ako sure kung paano to gamitin or paano to ilagay sa sakyan and magkakasya ba siya or pwede ba siya sa sasakyan ko kasi meron kasing mga car seat na hindi siya compatible sa sasakyan mo. So ito, I need to try that. Let's go. I'm just gonna try this in my car, honey, because one of my colleagues, she's asking if I got a car seat and if it's okay in my car.
What?
This one.
Of course we'll do it.
You think? Because she's...
All the things are standard.
No, not all, Han.
Yeah, the British standard.
Because she got a car seat as well and she don't use it anymore. So if this will not fit in my car, then I will try asking if it will fit. Hang on, let me just try it. Let me... Where?
I think the seatbelt will go behind this, does it? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. What is it?
Let's try. Have a...
Seatbelt will go in the back of that.
Let's have a look. Busy yun, busy. So, try ko lang to. And then, let's see. There's no point kasi mga loves na bumili pa ng bagong car seat. Kasi, Halos daw kasi 0 to 6 months. After 6 months, nag-upgrade ka na ng bagong car seat. So, ayun. Paano ba to? Kailangan ko tong iusog. Ay, nako. Ang ginaw. So, bear with me mga loves because I am learning. So, lagay ito dito. Ganyan ba? Tapos, paano ba to? Isi-seatbelt mo ata first. I'm not sure mga loves ha. I'm not sure. So, I'll just gonna try this. Ganun ba? I don't know. How? I don't understand, Han. There is things here.
What?
Come here.
I know there's things there.
But there's one on the back as well.
What's that for?
What? What do you do? Must be have something.
See, the seatbelt goes over there. Oh, look, it shows you on here. You have to have a look and find the make of it,
Yeah.
and have a look online. See. Things showing there.
Titingnan ko muna sa online ha. Kung paano ba to ilalagay talaga ng mabuti sa sasakyan. Kasi hindi ako convinced. Pero naman siyang instruction dito sa gilid. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, meron naman siyang instruction. Pero mas mabuti kasi yun na napapanood ba. Nakapanood ako ng video. So, simple lang. So, lagay mo dito. Then, isi-seatbelt mo to. Yan. Seatbelt, seatbelt. Hindi ko abot mga love. Saan ba yun? Yan. And make sure na it's not twisted or anything. And then ito is kakabit mo sa dito. Sa likod. Yan. Yan na, tight na siya. That's it. Yun lang pala. Pwede naman to siyang adjust. I am still learning how to use this mga loves kasi yun na nga, wala akong ano, like manual nito kasi yun na nga pahiram at mga bigay. Pero she said naman na sabihin mo lang sa akin, just text me or sabihin mo lang sa akin and tapos i-ano daw niya, i-demo daw niya. Na-demo na to niya sa bahay pero of course nakalimutan ko. So yeah. Ayan. So, kailangan ko pa itong labahan. Kasi hindi ka kasi pauwiin dito kung wala kang car seat. Kaya kailangan talaga ng car seat. So that's it. That solved the problem. So, sabihin ko na lang sa katrabaho ko na okay naman yung anong car seat. So basically, you put this on and then just go as it should. Like that. Just put down the seat belt and then you go over here.
Oh, and then you,
yeah.
And then you just go, right, yeah, I got it, yeah.
That's it, really?
Right.
Because the car seat that she got, my colleague, there is like a plate as well. That's why I said.
Yeah, but that's for a newborn.
Huh?
That's for a newborn.
That was for a newborn as well. As I was saying, yung car seat ng katrabaho ko, meron siyang plate. Ito kasi purely ano lang talaga, like seat belt. Ang dami kasing type ng ano mga loves, ng mga car seat. Anyway, at least I know it fits in there. Ang nagpahiram pala nito or ang nagbigay nito mga loves, hindi ko na alam kung alin yung ibibigay niya at alin yung ipapahiram niya sa akin. Pero ang dami kasing mga gamit dito sa bahay para kay baby. Ito, lahat dito. Yan, itong mga nasa ilalim dito. Tinakpan ko lang sila ng ano ba, ng bed sheets kasi ayaw ko na malikabukan sila. Lahat dito, dito, nakikita nyo, ano, pahiram niya at bigay niya sa akin. Nape-pressure nga ako mga loves. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, nakaka-pressure kasi baka hindi ko mabalik ba kung ano yung kondisyon na mga gamit niya before. Meron, as I said, meron siyang pahiram dito at meron siyang ibibigay pero hindi ko na maalala kung alin dito. So, sinabi ko na lang sa kanila mag-asawa, magkano lahat yung singil niyo dito. Sabi ng asawa niya mga loves, yung British na asawa niya, just look after it. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay grabe naman, ang bait-bait nila. So thankful talaga ako sa kanila ba. Kasi at least makakasave na ako dito. Ang kailangan ko na lang talaga is yung car seat na pang ano, up to 6 months to 4 years old or something like that. So yeah. And I am grateful kasi yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga katrabaho ko, nag-ano talaga ba sila? Nag-o-offer sila, nagbibigay sila. Kaya, thank you talaga. So, halos dito mga loves, kailangan ko pang, ano, punasan, labhan. Kaya, yeah, madami-dami pa tayong gagawin. Magpo-pork kami ngayon para sa aming hapunan kasi itatry namin yung ginawa kong chutney. 4 weeks na to. Yan. Try natin tong maliit. Do you want to do the honor and open it?
Open what?
The chutney?
No.
No? Just, I'm so excited to have a look.
Could be poison.
Come on, try it. Oh. It has a good... Oh!
Jesus, smell it.
Really? Is it strong? Hindi naman siya, ano, it's not... Smells chutney though. Is it not?
Or was it not? That is chutney.
Would you like to try?
Come on, do this.
There you go. Try it, sir. At least, hindi siya minold, mga loves.
Ladies first.
No. Try it. So, I will not try it if it collapses. Does it taste like a chutney? What are you thinking?
Great.
Huh?
Great.
No!
Okay.
What are you thinking?
You try it, then I'll tell you what I think.
Does it taste like Margaret? By the way, this is my this is my first time to cook a chutney. It's strong though, and sour.
It's not sweet chutney, is it?
No, but
Yeah, you got sweet chutney, you got normal chutney.
like Margaret, I mean,
That's fine.
is it fine for you that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I don't know if I'm just overthinking it because I'm the one who make it.
Yeah, but
Because I know what
that
goes
chutney
in
Margaret
there.
made was like sweet chutney.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just different time.
It is good, isn't it?
Yeah, close it up before it goes bad. Won't put it in the fridge, you know.
I can make chutney now. Next time, for the apple, it will not be wasted. To be fair, our apple this year, nothing has been wasted really.